In this Luna review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Luna. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Luna. Luna is a software that helps you personalize and create cold outreach automatically. Once you've actually gone ahead and created your account, you should be with this page. I'm going to quickly go through this for people who have just made their account, and then if you're logging into Luna, I'm going to go ahead and go through all the features in the main area as well. So what you go ahead and actually do is go through this section right here where you're actually talking to the AI sales assistant. I'm going to go ahead and just click this automatic response, and then it should go ahead and ask you some questions about your business. You want to go ahead and fill this out as quickly as possible and as accurate as possible so it can really help you in your business. I'm going to go ahead and run through this just so I can get onto the main section of the software. So there you go. Once you've actually gone ahead and ran through all of that, you should end up on this main dashboard page. However, this isn't actually the main page since we are just on the trial, and I'm going to go ahead and just run through all of this. It says at the top, you are currently in training mode until you connect your email account. I'm not going to do that because I don't actually want any emails being sent out to anyone in particular. However, if you are doing this as a personal business or for real, you would actually want that to be connected so you can go ahead and actually boost sales in your business and actually send emails to real people. Because I don't want emails to real people, we're going to stay on this section where it has most of the features anyway. So once you're actually greeted on this page, you should see again it is a training mode, so this is all a fake email and everything. Pretty good because I usually type in all these fake emails, and this time I don't have to do it. So I'm going to quickly go through each feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deeper into every feature and show you what they do within the software. So right here in the top left hand corner we have the Luna logo, which isn't actually clickable like most softwares. Usually they do and take you to the home page. To the right of that we have all emails, where you can actually click on that and see you can either see your all emails, first emails, or any follow-up emails. To the right of that you can actually see the conversations section, and then finally the leads section. All the way over here we have these two buttons right here. One takes you to this section right here where you can actually see any analytics, and then one is just a notifications. To the right of that you have your account section, whereas if you click on that you can go ahead and invite anyone or even log out and change your settings. So back to the all emails section, this is what that section is. You can go ahead and write your first email to Jean Paul Clerks. This is obviously just a random person, but it's good that the software is actually working you into the software and telling you and helping you on what you can actually do. We're going to go ahead and run through the training mode just to see what actually happens when you are emailing people. This is your first email to Jean Paul, and you can go ahead and actually write in all of this to your liking. So once you've gone ahead and actually wrote in all of this to your liking, or you can go ahead and actually keep it the same, you can see that there is this section down here. You can actually choose to snooze this email, discard it, or even schedule it. We're going to go ahead and click schedule the email just so we can move on. Once you've scheduled it, it should take you to the next email. Again, this is all personally filled in to a random person, Isabel Scavetta, product manager at Ocular Technologies, and then you can see that you have their location, their company industry, the company headcount, and an about section. We're going to go ahead and schedule that as well. Once you went ahead and scheduled through all of the emails, it should say this right here. Hey, and then your name, that's my name. Congratulations, you're all caught up for now. The timer indicates when new suggestions are ready for your approval. As long as the lead doesn't respond, Luna will continue to suggest reminders. Questions? Shoot, we're happy to help. So you can go ahead and just click this up here, the top right hand corner, and you can get rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead and go through each other feature so I can see what they do as well. In this section right here you can actually click the options, and you can actually generate a new email, or even translate your text, or even report this message if you wish. Back in this section you can actually see the first emails or any follow-up emails, which we don't have, but we do have for first emails. In the conversation section, once you click on that, you can see that there is a message pending. However, this is where you'd actually message any clients or any potential clients that you need. They should all appear on the left hand side here, obviously when they're actually real people. However, this again is just the trial, so we have a fake person right here that we haven't actually sent a message to yet. Next, moving on to the lead section, you can actually manage your lead settings, upload your own lead list, read our lead guides, and even ask us what's possible. This is where you can manage any leads, and then this is where you can manage any leads and see who you are actually emailing if you want to. Moving through to the analytics section, you can see how many emails you've actually sent, how many emails have been opened, how many leads have been contacted, average open rate, replies, average reply rate, interested leads, and then meetings scored. This is a good section because you can actually see if anyone's actually opening your emails. If no one's opening your emails, you'd actually go ahead and change the way you send emails or even type any out. Then hopefully something changes and you can go ahead and go back to your analytics, see that change, and actually develop upon that change. It's great for starting up a business because you can go ahead and actually see what is actually working and what isn't working for your cold emails. You can see we've actually got a new leads contacted. You can also see the last 7 days, last 30 days, or even last 365 days. Moving on back to the all email section, I'm going to go ahead and schedule more emails just to show you guys what would actually happen. So again, once you've scheduled another email, again it should appear with just more fake ones to get you used to the software. This is good again because you don't want to be sending out terrible emails to begin with. You want everything perfect for when you actually go ahead and actually connect your account and move on through to helping your business. Again, all the information is on the left hand side, and you have your little section right here which you can actually just edit by typing in anything that you need. If you want to actually discard an email, you can go ahead right here and click discard, and it should easily discard it just like that. You can also go ahead and click snooze if you don't want to email that certain person right at this very moment, and then back to scheduling normal ones, and you can run through as fast as you can. That is pretty much it for the Luna software. And there you go, that is it for the Luna software. Overall, I think it's a great software if you are looking for a way to actually send any businesses or clients cold emails. A few features I liked is how it is all automatic and you don't actually have to do any real work yourself, and the AI generation actually helps a lot. It helps you with actually sending the emails and actually reviewing them and even typing them out. So again, you don't really have to do too much information yourself, and there are the features that I like. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. Anyone who's looking to start a business, or even I might use it myself if I'm looking to start a business. Luna is a great software to actually send out emails, since most people don't actually have any time to do it themselves and it is really time consuming. I think it's a great software and I would use it myself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.